Hello and welcome back to Hardrested Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook on TCL phone. Let's begin. So, we want to go into the Play Store. Then in the Play Store, go into search bar. Start typing in Facebook. You want to ignore everything that is set as sponsored. So let's hit Facebook, and now let's simply go with install. And now after the Facebook is done installing, we'll be able to easily use it and log in and, endlessly scroll to waste time more efficiently. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.